pretty weak. Yeah, that's a massaging one. Very, very soft and very weak. I'm going to take off the restrictor off that massaging one so it actually works. Okay, I just took the whole thing off, to be honest. I took off the entire full restrictor and everything else. Let's see if it just goes direct. Okay, so I took it off, and I should probably not film myself when I'm half naked. I just basically went directly to it. There's a little grommet in there, it should be fine. So instead of having that flow restrictor or whatever else, let's give it a shot without it. Hopefully it doesn't spray everywhere. Oh, much better. Not really. It's still kind of soft. I think this. This head just sucks. So inside it basically has a flow restrictor in it, but we can't take out that red flow restrictor on this thing. So yeah, prefer if I could, but I can't seem to. Oh well. Guess they made it so that it's restricting your water anyways, regardless. But okie dokie. That's pretty interesting.